Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at an eBay purchase that I got. The box just arrived, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. First, we need our handy dandy tool. Now let's get this thing unboxed. Always cut away from you, always cut away. So this box right here comes from eBay, and I bought this pair of sneakers for only $125. And I think when you guys see what's inside this box, you guys are gonna be shook. Okay, replacement box. Pretty small box though. What the heck? Okay. This also came with the eBay authenticity guarantee, which means that it has been checked. So we know we're getting something that's legitimate. I don't know if you guys could tell how small this box is, but there's a little hair in here. Kind of gross. We got a pair of Air Jordan Royal Ones, baby, for yes, 125 clams. Now, when I looked at the pictures, everything looked cool, but let's go ahead and inspect them in person and in hand. Let's see what we got here. As far as the uppers go, it looks like we got some crazy creasing on the top, but man, hey, it's an Air Jordan 1. What can we expect? These shoes crease like crazy, but honestly, with this newer kind of style leather, the tumbled leather, it looks pretty good creased up in my opinion. The uppers don't look too bad. Now we do have a little scuff right here on this heel, but nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and check the other side. The other side shows a little bit of scuffs on the back, similar to the other shoe. And we also have a little scratch on the toe box right here that I didn't know about, but now that I'm seeing it in person, I just wanted to mention that. Taking a look at the bottoms, we do see a little bit of star loss, but nothing too crazy. And there's also a little bit of heel drag, but nothing too significant. Now, $125 for a pair like this, that's pretty good in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a steal, or would you pass up on this pair? Now, if you guys have been watching my videos, you probably see how the background changes pretty frequently. There's shoes that I let go of, there's shoes that I end up getting back. And recently I started getting back into some of the OG colorways for the Air Jordan 1s, just because I noticed that the market price for a lot of these shoes is starting to go down like significantly. So I think it's a good time for anyone that wants to buy a really cool colorway, an OG colorway that is, for the low. So you could probably find some shadows on there, some Royal Ones, kind of like in this worn condition, but you could get it for a really, really good deal. And even if you're trying to go ahead and make some money on some of these pairs, you could go ahead and flip them. I think with a nice clean, a little decrease, some paint touch-ups here and there, these could sell for around 220 bucks. So that'd be around $100 profit. But I bought these for the personal. But yeah, man, I was surprised. A lot of these shoes that used to go for crazy money, if I'm not mistaken, I remember these were hitting for like $300 to $350. I think they even peaked at like $400 at some point, depending on where you got it from. Now you can get it for a really good price. So that's something that I like. In the listing, it said that this would come with no insoles, and that's why I thought the price would be so low. I even ended up buying some more freaking Dr. Scholl's right here, but it looks like I won't be needing them for this pair. So that's pretty cool. Looks like it comes with the OG insoles. This is a 2016 pair, and this is size 10, my size. There are a couple other colorways that I'm eyeing right now, not in the Air Jordan 1s, but Air Jordan 8s. I want the Aqua 8s again. I've been seeing a few pairs here and there pop up on eBay, but nothing that I want to jump to real quick. I feel like if I wait long enough, I could find those for a steal. You guys let me know if you've seen any crazy deals. I have links to eBay down below in the description. But man, I'm kind of interested. Like, I want to put these things on, and I might even have some Royal One paint to go ahead and try and fix some of these little battle scars that are on here. Would y'all like to see me fix these, or should I just leave them? Because I've been just wearing my shoes lately. When things happen, they happen, but I'm not tripping over it like I used to back in the day. Back then, when I would get just a little bit of dirt on the midsole, I would go home and clean them, make sure they all look extra fresh. These days, it's just like, I just want to throw my shoes on, enjoy them, and just wear them. So I might just keep it like this, unless y'all want to see me kind of get down on these a little bit and bring them back. But you guys let me know what you think about this purchase in the comment section down below. I also got a sneakers W, so let's go ahead and unbox that, and I'll throw that in this video as well. I've had this package just sitting for the past couple weeks, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got. This was the same weekend that the trophy rooms release. I went for both shoes, but I ended up getting the W on these right here. Beautiful. What a beautiful looking shoe. So I went ahead, got my size 10, and these are the Plum Dunk Lows. I remember when these first came out, I really wanted them, but the prices back then for Dunks, they were a little bit too much, a little more than what I wanted to pay. But these Plum Dunks right here, I was able to scoop them for retail. I believe it was $110, maybe a little bit more after tax and shipping, but I feel like that's a solid deal for this pair right here. The quality of the suede is super nice. Colorway is unique. It's not something that I currently have, so I figured, you know what, let's go ahead and pick these babies up. There's something about these suede Dunks that just feels a little bit different than the typical pairs that we see on an everyday basis. For me, when I see suede, I think of a higher quality material and just something that feels a little bit better to the touch. Now, I will give it to you. I feel like suede isn't the best to wear on an everyday basis, but if this is a shoe that you're just popping out every now and then, I think this isn't a bad colorway, and for the price, I feel like you can't go wrong. I don't remember how much these are reselling for right now. I'm gonna assume maybe like 180-ish, nothing too crazy. I'm happy to have these in my collection. I wasn't hurt about the trophy rooms. I really didn't need those, but I feel like this pair right here was a solid pickup. All right, you guys, that's going to end this video right here. Let me know what you guys think about these two pickups in the comment section down below. If you guys want to shop Air Jordan 1 sneakers for the low, I'll have everything listed down below in the description with the exact filters that I use to find steals and deals like these. Also, before you guys go, I am loading my website with a whole bunch of new inventory, shopsaltopia.com. I'll have more sneakers on there as well as custom goods, so make sure you guys check that out. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.